autonomous figure in Muslim Mindanao Parliamentary Election 2021. We are gathered here today as a united Bangsamoro, and more than just as revenue, this peace covenant signing is a promise of commitment for a better and progressive future.
At this juncture, we will request the commanding officer Marine Battalion 985, Major Victor D. Doggett, Philippine Navy Marines, to deliver his welcome remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My highest courtesy and respect to our distinguished guests for today's activity. Of course, we like to greet the Korean forces and the PAP, the Commander 603rd, Department of the Michael Santos, to be the Commander of the Battalion, Philippine Navy Marines. The Commander of 601st Department of Brigadier General Edgar L. Taco, Philippine Army. The Commanding Officer of 1st Mechanized Infantry Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Robert L. Pipita. The Commanding Officer of 2nd Infantry Battalion, Lieutenant Colonel Aaron Bumaco, Philippine Army. For the PNP, our counterparts from the provincial province of Maguindanao del Norte, Police Colonel Eleuterio Ricardo Jr., represented by Police Lieutenant Colonel Harold Magabardin. The Chief of Police of POS UPS, Police Lieutenant Colonel Ismael Imadin. The Chief of Police of Dato Blasinsuat PNPs, Police Captain Octavio Lignado Jr. The officer in charge of the PNPS, Police Captain Julius Luto. And for the COMELEC of Provincia of the 4th District of Maguindanao del Norte, headed by the Provincial Election Officer Supervisor, Attorney Muammar E. Buli. The Election Officer 4 of Dato Maguindanao Maguindanao del Norte, Attorney Joyce Ibuan. The Election Officer 2 of DBS, Ma'am Jasmine Montal. The Election Officer of OP, Ma'am Jihan Ismo. We also hear our beloved three candidates for the MP of 4th District of Maguindanao del Norte. We have Dr. Sir Tim Abbas, Alexander P. Agustin, Dato Bay Shamin M. Limuna, represented by Dato Rodney Q. Sinswat Sr., represented by Bay Ali M. Sinswat. Of course, our host municipality, the Honorable Mayor of the US, Honorable Abdul Mahin P. Abbas Sr. Alhas, with his Vice Mayor, Honorable Dato Babstil Sinswat, the Honorable Mayor of Dato Sinswat, Honorable Bayraida T. Sinswat, here is Vice Mayor, by Catalina T. Sinswat. As to the team, we are best. We have here the Secretary Officer, Ludo Cantila, and the other members of this committee, sa magandang hapon po sa kanila. As the first parliamentary election 2025 passing project, it has become essential to hold this peace covenant forum with our political candidates in coordination with the COMELEC, our friendly units in the area of operations, and other respected election observers and institutions here in the 4th District of Maguindanao del Norte. This important initiative seeks to foster cooperation and mutual respect among all parties, promote non-violence and adherence to democratic principles, encourage the peaceful resolution of any disputes that may arise during the election period. On behalf of the Marine Battalion 1935, 1st Marine Brigade, being the host of this activity, it is my honor and privilege to warmly welcome each one of you into this gathering, strengthening our shared commitment to peace, order, and democratic process. Once again, welcome and peace and thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, may we request the Provincial Election Supervisor, Maging Nanalo